How to activate CIBC Costco MasterCard online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate CIBC Costco MasterCard online, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for cibc.com. You will be led to the official webpage of CIBC. On the right side of your screen, you will see the login portal, so go ahead and enter your login credentials. Firstly, enter your credit card number and then go ahead and enter your password. Just in case if you do not remember your password, then you can always go ahead and tap on the Reset Your Password option and follow the on-screen prompts and recover your password. Once you have entered both the card number and the password correctly, tap on the Sign On button. Also, if you do not have an account, you can tap on the Register option and enter the required details and register yourself to CIBC. Once you are logged into your CIBC online account, locate your CIBC Costco credit card in the My Account section and tap on the Activate Your Card option. Now follow through the activation process by entering your card details, your social security number, and the PIN available right on your card, and you will be able to activate your CIBC Costco MasterCard online. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.